Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to effectively train users on social media management software so that adoption truly sticks. Whether you're rolling out a new platform or optimizing an existing one, the right training approach is crucial. We'll walk through proven strategies, from understanding user needs to ongoing support, ensuring your team feels confident and empowered. Let's dive in and discover how to make your social media management software an indispensable tool for your organization. Before launching any training, it's important to assess your users' current skills and needs. Conduct surveys or interviews to understand their familiarity with social media tools and identify any gaps. This helps tailor your training content, ensuring it's relevant and engaging. By meeting users where they are, you'll foster a more positive learning experience and set the stage for successful adoption. Setting clear objectives for your training program is essential. Define what success looks like for your team, whether it's scheduling posts, analyzing metrics, or engaging with followers. Clear goals help users understand the value of the software and what's expected of them. This focus keeps training on track and ensures everyone is working toward the same outcomes. Not all users learn the same way. Some prefer hands-on workshops, while others benefit from video tutorials or written guides. Offer a mix of training formats to accommodate different learning styles. This flexibility increases engagement and helps users absorb information more effectively, leading to better retention and adoption. Step-by-step guides are invaluable for new users. Break down complex processes into manageable steps, using screenshots or visuals to illustrate each action. These guides serve as handy references, reducing confusion and building user confidence as they navigate the software. Live demonstrations allow users to see the software in action. Schedule webinars or in-person sessions where trainers walk through key features and workflows. Encourage questions and real-time interaction to address concerns and reinforce learning. This approach makes training more dynamic and memorable. Hands-on practice is one of the most effective ways to learn. Give users opportunities to experiment with the software in a safe environment. Set up sandbox accounts or practice scenarios so they can try out features without fear of making mistakes. This builds familiarity and confidence, making adoption more likely. Peer learning can be a powerful motivator. Encourage experienced users to mentor newcomers, share tips, and answer questions. This creates a supportive community where users learn from each other, accelerating adoption and fostering a sense of ownership over the software. Quick reference materials, such as cheat sheets or FAQs, help users find answers fast. Make these resources easily accessible, both online and offline. This reduces frustration and empowers users to solve problems independently, supporting long-term adoption. Training is most effective when it's relevant to users' daily tasks. Incorporate real-world scenarios and examples that mirror their actual workflows. This practical approach helps users see the immediate value of the software, making it easier to integrate into their routines. Microlearning breaks training into small, focused modules that are easy to digest. Short videos, quizzes, or interactive lessons can be completed in just a few minutes, fitting seamlessly into busy schedules. This approach boosts retention and keeps users engaged over time. Gamification adds an element of fun to training. Incorporate badges, leaderboards, or rewards for completing modules and mastering features. This friendly competition motivates users to participate and keeps them engaged throughout the training process. Regular check-ins help track progress and address any challenges users may face. Schedule follow-up sessions to review key concepts, answer questions, and gather feedback. This ongoing support ensures users stay on track and feel supported throughout their learning journey. Feedback is essential for continuous improvement. Encourage users to share their experiences, suggestions, and pain points. Use surveys, polls, or informal conversations to collect insights. This information helps refine your training program and address any issues early on. Change can be challenging, and some users may resist adopting new software. Acknowledge their concerns and provide clear explanations of the benefits. Offer extra support and patience, helping them transition at their own pace. This empathy builds trust and encourages even hesitant users to engage. Emphasize the tangible benefits of the social media management software. Show how it saves time, improves collaboration, and delivers better results. When users see the positive impact on their work, they're more likely to embrace the new tool and make it part of their daily routine. Identify and empower software champions within your organization. These are enthusiastic users who can advocate for the tool, answer questions, and support their peers. Champions help drive adoption by sharing best practices and inspiring others to get on board. Different roles may use the software in unique ways. Tailor training sessions to address the specific needs of marketers, analysts, or customer service teams. This targeted approach ensures everyone learns the features most relevant to their responsibilities. Accessibility is key to successful adoption. Ensure training materials are available in multiple formats and languages, and that they're easy to access from any device. This inclusivity ensures all users can participate fully, regardless of their location or abilities. Visual aids such as infographics, charts, and screenshots make complex information easier to understand. Incorporate these elements into your training materials to clarify key concepts and processes, helping users grasp new ideas quickly. Showcase how the software enables real-time collaboration. Demonstrate features like shared calendars, task assignments, and group messaging. When users see how the tool streamlines teamwork, they're more likely to adopt it enthusiastically. Analytics are a core part of social media management. Train users on how to access and interpret key metrics, such as engagement rates and audience growth. Understanding analytics empowers users to make data-driven decisions and measure their success. Security is critical when managing social media accounts. Train users on best practices, such as setting strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and recognizing phishing attempts. This protects both your organization and your users from potential threats. Many social media tools include content approval workflows. Train users on how to submit, review, and approve posts within the software. Clear understanding of these processes ensures smooth collaboration and maintains brand consistency. Scheduling is a key feature of social media management software. Show users how to plan and schedule posts in advance, manage content calendars, and automate publishing. Mastering these tools saves time and ensures a consistent online presence. Social media crises can happen unexpectedly. Train users on how to respond to negative comments, handle PR issues, and escalate serious concerns. Having a clear crisis management plan in place empowers users to act quickly and protect your brand's reputation. Many social media management tools offer mobile apps. Show users how to access key features on their smartphones or tablets, enabling them to manage accounts on the go. This flexibility increases adoption and ensures users stay connected wherever they are. Integration with other business tools, such as CRM or analytics platforms, enhances the value of your social media software. Train users on how to connect and leverage these integrations for a seamless workflow and richer insights. Software evolves over time with new features and updates. Keep users informed about changes through regular training sessions, newsletters, or update guides. This ensures everyone stays up to date and continues to use the software effectively. Certification programs recognize users who have mastered the software, offer badges or certificates for completing advanced training modules. This not only motivates users to deepen their skills, but also builds credibility within your organization. Foster a culture of knowledge sharing by encouraging users to share tips, tricks, and success stories. Create forums, chat groups, or internal newsletters where users can learn from each other. This collaborative environment supports ongoing learning and adoption. It's important to measure how effective your training program is. Track metrics such as user adoption rates, feature usage, and feedback scores. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and ensure your training delivers real results. Recognize and celebrate users who excel with the software. Highlight achievements in team meetings or newsletters, and reward milestones with small incentives. Celebrating success boosts morale and encourages continued engagement with the tool. Dedicated support channels, such as help desks or chatbots, ensure users can get help when they need it. Make sure users know how to access support and encourage them to reach out with questions or issues. Responsive support builds trust and keeps users engaged. Keep a record of common issues and their solutions. Share this documentation with users so they can troubleshoot problems independently. This proactive approach reduces support requests and empowers users to solve challenges on their own. Technology is always evolving, and so should your training. Encourage users to keep learning through advanced modules, webinars, or industry news. Continuous learning ensures users stay ahead of the curve and get the most from your software. A positive culture encourages users to embrace new tools, foster an environment where experimentation is welcomed, mistakes are seen as learning opportunities, and users support each other. This mindset makes adoption smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Make sure your training program aligns with your organization's broader business goals. Show users how mastering the software contributes to team objectives, such as increasing engagement or improving customer service. This alignment reinforces the importance of adoption. Ensure your training materials are accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. Use clear language, provide captions for videos, and ensure compatibility with assistive technologies. This commitment to accessibility ensures everyone can participate fully. Create ongoing feedback loops where users can continuously share their experiences and suggestions. Regularly review this feedback and make adjustments to your training program as needed. This iterative process ensures your training remains effective and relevant. Track key adoption metrics, such as login frequency, feature usage, and completion of training modules. Use this data to identify users who may need extra support and to celebrate those who are excelling. Monitoring adoption helps you proactively address challenges and sustain engagement. Be flexible and willing to adapt your training program based on user feedback. If users find certain modules confusing or unhelpful, revise them promptly. This responsiveness shows users that their input matters and helps maintain high levels of engagement. Leadership support is vital for successful adoption. Encourage managers and executives to champion the software, participate in training, and set an example for others. Visible leadership involvement signals the importance of the initiative and motivates users to engage. Let's recap the essential steps for training users on social media management software. Assess needs, set clear objectives, offer diverse training formats, provide ongoing support, and adapt based on feedback. By following these best practices, you'll foster lasting adoption and empower your team to make the most of your social media tools. Now that you have a comprehensive approach to user training, it's time to put these strategies into action. Encourage your team to embrace the learning process, support each other, and continuously share feedback. With the right training and a supportive culture, your organization will see lasting success with your social media management software.